ሰላም ሰላም ሰላም፣ እንደምን ዋላችሁ? እንደምን አደራችሁ? ሁላችሁም እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን በጣም ደህና ነኝ። እኔ እንዴት ናችሁ? አለሁ። ሃይ 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 ኤቭሪባዲ፣ ጉድ ሞርኒንግ ጉድ ሞርኒንግ። ሃው ኢዝ ኤቭሪባዲ ዱዊንግ? I'm doing good. So I want to show you something today. What I'm gonna use for my hair. Okay, butter for my hair. Okay, let's open. ቅቤ ሊቀባ ነው፣ የአሜሪካን ቅቤ ማለት ነው። Okay guys, how many people in America use butter for your hair scalp, for your hair scalp? Nobody. You might say ew, but it's not ew. How many people eat butter? A lot. Everybody eat butter. Longer you eat this butter, why not moisturize your scalp? It's organic, healthy. Let me ask you, after showering yourself, after a shower, you dry your body, what do you do next? You put lotion, moisturize your skin, your body. What about your hair? After you shampooing, after you wash, do you put any moisturizer or lotion? No, we don't do lotion for hair. We don't moisturize hair, scalp. So use this magic butter. Let me show you how I'm going to use it. Here like this. Open it. You know when you eat how fast to open. So I'm gonna grab this. Come on, America, look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna put on my scalp. Oh, my scalp say, oh, yummy. Oh my God. So dry, feels so cold and nice. Jesus, just dry like a rock. My scalp is dry like a rock. It's so nice. Guys, are you watching this? You're next. Oh, smell good too. You see this? You see butter? It's gonna get to your scalp, moisturize your scalp. Nice and soft scalp. Nice and soft. Don't forget to use scalp. You never forget your body after a shower. But don't forget your scalp either. I know some of us, we have very soft hair and they goes it's kind of hard, but you need it for your scalp. You gotta moisturize with the butter. Okay. And then go like this. You see it? ራሱ በእውነት በጣም ውድ ነው። በጣም ኦርጋኒክ ቅቤ ነው። ነሽታው የወይራ ወይንም ደግሞ ምንድን ነው የሚባለው? የምናጨሰው ወተት ላይ ወተት እርጎ ስንሰራ። አይ ጉድ ረሳሁት። ምን ነበረ? ኮሰረት አይደለም፣ ወይራ ነው። በቃ ሽታው ደስ ይላል በጣም። ስሜል ጉድ you might say you. It's not you when you eat. It's a food you eat for your stomach. Oh, guys, I can see my scalps telling me, thank you. I just say you're welcome. Don't worry. I like myself. I gotta love myself. First, you gotta like yourself, so that way you care about yourself. That's the first main thing. You gotta like ourselves. ሹሩባ አልሰራውም። ሹሩባ አልሰራም። Okay, guys. Butter on my head, on my scalp. And you imagine if you say yuck or ew, you're silly. Put butter in your scalp. You got a nice scalp, smooth, soft. Oh, feels so good. I swear God, I can feel it. My hair is my scalp is so dry like a rock. Feels so good. ደስ ስል እኔ ቅቤ ሰው አይደለሁም፣ ግን ዛሬ ፀጉሬ በጣም በቃ ተሰማኝ። ድርቀቱ ስነካ በእጄ ጭንቅላቴ ያመኛል። እፎይ ምን አባቱ ብዬ እጄ ገዝቼ መጣ። የምናጥም አለ፣ ግን የተናጠ ኦልሬዲ ቆንጆ ቅቤ እያለ ምን መናጥ፣ እንደገና እቃውን ማጠብ፣ የነካካቸውን እቃውን ማጠብ ምናምን። የተዘጋጀ ጨው የሌለ ቆንጆ ሽታ ውዱን መግዛት ነው። ውድ ከገዛችሁ ሁሉም ነገር ቆንጆ ነው ካወጣችሁት። ይሄ ለማንጠራት የምንጠር ቅቤ ነው። እሰይ አባቴ እግዚአብሔርዬ እኮ ወይ ኦ ጂሰስ I really blessed today by doing this. And then after hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, when you stay home and your day off, you can, stay home, let it moisturize your scalp for a few hours, and then you wash with shampoo and conditioner. It's nothing wrong. It's not bad thing. So good. Do very often. I didn't even finish this. ችንም ቆራል ጨረሰም ፀጉሬ ትንሽ ስለሆነ ወይ so good, so good, so good, so good. So I feel so, I swear to God, I feel something. If you watch me go out, grab the butter, ፈናቴ ላይ እስኪ ሞር የቤት ስለሆንኩኝ ዛሬ እንዲቀጥል ያለው አናቴ ያመስግነኝ እስኪ። I know እዚህ ጋር በተለይ ጂሰስ ወይ እሰይ ሽታው ራሱ ገረመኝ። እግዚአብሔርን በቃ እንደ ኢትዮጵያ የታጠነ ነው። በቃ አለ እንዴ እንደዚህ እውነት ማወቅ ራሱ ጥሩ ነው። ይሄ አሁን 4 ነው የሚይዘው። 1 2 3 ቀረኝ። 3 ይቀባለሁ ማለት ነው። ምን አባቱ የምን መናጥ እንዲህ ማድረግ በማሽን ውጣ ውረድ፣ ማሽኑን ማጠብ፣ ወተቱን መርፋት፣ ይሄ ያለ እናቴ ስራ ያጣ ሰው እንትን ያደርግ። እኔ ረፍቴን አላበላሽም። እዚህ አድርጋችሁ እፍን አድርጋችሁ ወይ ሞተ እኮ ሞተ ታባቱ። Look America people, don't only eat butter, you can use for your hair. I'm telling you. You can wash. It's not gonna kill you. You're not gonna die. ይሄው እንደዚህ ነው። ብዙ አልቀባም። እንደዚህ ቅጥል ስል ምን አባቱ አልኩኝ ቅድም። ማይ ጎድነስ ታባቱ የታባቱ ውስና Look American people, watch my hair. 4 ይዛለ። በጣም ቆንጆ ቅቤ ዛሬ እኔ አሁን በቃ ሻሼና ስሬ ቤቴ ውስጥ ዘና ላለው ማለት ነው። የምሰራው እሰራለሁ። Look what you guys, all this butter my scalp is gonna be. Thank you, you welcome. በአዲሱ ቪዲዮ እስከምመለስ በጥሩ ዜና እመጣለሁ። እግዚአብሔር ከእናንተ ጋር ከሁላችሁም ጋር ይሁን። ሁላችሁን ባርካችሁ የተባረከ ቀንና ሌሊት ያርግልን ለሁላችንም። Bye American people, look at my hair. Look at this. Butter. You use butter for only butter. You can put it in your hair. Come on guys, be smart. You never moisturize your hair scrub. You got to, especially when it's summer, dry. Your hair is failing every time you brush. And then when we get older, and then we get light spots, bald-headed in the middle, and then we have to worry in a beanie, worry in a hat, worry in a wig. Interest moisturize, keep you natural, full hair. Because our hairs every time we brush, it feel easy because it's dry, no moisturizing. You got to use this. Okay, bye bye. ዶንት ፎርጌት ሰብስክራይብ ላይክ ኤንድ ሼር። ሰብስክራይብ ላይክ ሼር ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። ቻው ቻው።